Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I just want to update you because the scenario that I've been talking about seems to be playing out. So we have been in this move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a while now, and then we peaked here at this high or higher level wave 3. We've come down in a wave 4. Again, maxed out what we could do from a bullish point of view in this target range that I gave you at the time and came into it. We did overshoot it a little bit, but we didn't really get down to the $175 level that I did talk about when we came back, just below this target level. So we basically very briefly broke the 0.5 fib level at $191, but that didn't last long, only briefly. And then we broke out to the upside. I did tell you back then that I would expect this to break up to the upside because we were in a bullish pattern here, a broadening descending wedge, usually breaking out to the upside, but it didn't make it easy for us. We broke down the fib levels, but we stayed within the pattern and then finally broke up. Yesterday in my video, was yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, but we were just struggling to get through this resistance level here at the $230 level. Yeah, the 0.214 fib level. And today someone asked me what actually happened. What did happen? Why did Solana move above 230 and then break down so hard? I think that happened today, and the reason for that is basically because we were, I think it was probably here, broke up here at 4 o'clock, I think this UK time, UTC. Then we broke down all the way down to 225 again. But that is because this was a very important resistance level. This is a key Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.214 at $230. This is the resistance level of this yellow target box, and we came back above it. We tried it, failed, came back down quite hard, and then we came back up again. We made it, and we are in this bullish scenario that I talked about already a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, that in the next move I expect the completion here of that wave 5. Now we did the wave 3, we did the wave 4. I think we are now on our way into the wave 5. Now this is of course not guaranteed, but it is now likely, given that we've moved out of this target range to the upside now, and now we need to address the next target levels, next resistance levels and we've got $245. That's the previous high here, and then we have $260, which is the all-time high. Expect some resistance around that area. If we can get through there, I think it is very, very certain that we get into this area between the 1.272 extension level and the 1.618. So between 297 or actually a little bit higher it should be, but let's give it from $300 to $345 in that target range we should land. But after that I would expect a quite a strong retracement down here, and that is purely based on the wave count within which we are, because this would also be the completion of a larger wave 5. So you had the wave 3 peaking here in September, the wave 4 down here, and that's even the larger scale, even higher than these yellow ones and higher than the pink ones. So after a completion of a wave 5 here, you would see then that move down in a correction before we then completely move up much, much higher. So generally overall bullish anyway in Solana, but this is, I think, how it could play out. I'm going to certainly take some profits if we get into this target range. Again, this is not guaranteed, but it's the bullish scenario, and it's based on the Elliott wave count, and it so far seems to be playing out. And if we get into that range, as I said, I will take some profits. I did buy in here, and I did mention it to you. This is a buying area. Also talked or mentioned it to the channel members whenever I buy. I do highlight it on the Discord channel. Did buy in this target range, and now we are moving up. I'm going to take some profits here. That will be a nice profit taking area, because we've then moved around 70% up if we get into that range. So that's pretty much my take on Solana at the moment. Hope you liked that update video about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.